December is the month of reflection, the month when you feel you want a calmer, clearer, more mature start. That's why I've chosen 7 powerful books that truly change your thinking, your energy, your direction. And they are the perfect start for a cleaner, lighter new year. Books that help you build habits, let go of what drains you, and understand yourself better. So hit subscribe and let's get started. 1. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, Manson. Why is it perfect for the new year? A new year needs clarity and prioritizing what truly matters. This book teaches you to let go of what doesn't serve you and invest your energy in what truly counts. A simple way to reduce pressure and start the year lighter. 2. The 4 Agreements, Miguel Ruiz. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year needs simple rules for a calmer life. Following these 4 small agreements throughout the year helps you ease your mind, calm your heart, and live more consciously. 3. The Alchemist, Paulo Coelho. Why is it perfect for the new year? Every new beginning needs inspiration and purpose. This novel reminds you of your path and intuition, giving you a spiritual boost to start the year with direction and awareness. 4. The Comfort Book, Haig. Why is it perfect for the new year? December can feel heavy, and this book soothes your heart. Simple notes and gentle reflections prepare you to enter the new year with peace and calm. 5. Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year needs meaning and purpose. Ikigai helps you discover what motivates you every day, letting you start the year with clarity and inner drive. 6. The Gifts of Imperfection, Brené Brown. Why is it perfect for the new year? The new year calls for self-acceptance and inner freedom. This book teaches you to embrace yourself as you are and live more freely without the pressure of perfection. 7. Good Vibes, Good Life, Bex King. Why is it perfect for the new year? A new year equals new energy. This book helps you shift your mindset, open your heart to positivity, and start the year lighter and calmer. Choose 1 book, or 2, and give yourself the start you deserve. A new year doesn't need running. It needs awareness, calm, and a small step taken sincerely. And maybe, just 1 book can change everything. If you want a part 3, write it in the comments.